great job with your first
race. Okay, guys, relax. It's Cruz's first win, so just go a little bit easy on her. She'll give you some responses in the future, but now she really has to get home. So, yeah, thank you very much, everyone. Come on, Cruz, let's go. What? No! Trust me, Cruz, you're gonna get used to that a lot. I mean, look at you. You're a natural. You were born a racer. Well, thank you, McQueen. I mean, I couldn't have done it without you. Well, let's just go home and celebrate. Wait. Before you go home, Cruz, we need your help. Something has happened to the next gen racers. Come follow me. Oh, McQueen, let's go. Okay. You two aren't gonna like this. Whoa, wait a minute. Wait, they're tractors? I mean, I saw everyone as tractors, but I didn't think that was for real. Yeah, I thought that was all in your mind. Well, I don't know what's gonna happen, but these guys have to get fixed. Wait a minute, but if it happened to everyone else, then why isn't everyone else a tractor? I don't know, maybe there's a limit or something? I'm not sure, honestly. I mean, all I saw were these two as tractors, and I'm like, whoa, that is not supposed to happen. Well, they have to go to the hospital. I mean, they can't just stay like this. Wait a minute, McQueen. I mean, I created them, right? Maybe I can turn them back into next gens. Hold on. Cruz, I think you scared the tractor out of him. Really? Oh, well, that doesn't make any sense, but I guess he's fine now? I think. Danny, is he okay? Yeah, he's fine. But wait a minute, this guy is still a tractor, so it hasn't worked yet. Hold on. Oh my god. I don't know what even to do anymore. I mean, this guy came back from being a tractor. This guy is still a tractor. And honestly, I'm just very confused. I'm gonna go home to rest. And good luck, Cruz. Bye. Well, that's just great. We have an unconscious racer and a tractor. What else could happen now? No, I didn't mean it like that. Huh? There's no way. Why are there tractors out here? I have no idea, McQueen. What's going on right now? No. Just let it go, McQueen. He'll be fine. I promise you. He won't last a day. Yes! Now's my chance to become the proper Rev-N-Go racer that everyone asked for. Sorry, man. Next gens only. No! Not fair! I want to be a next gen! I wanna!